In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger password. Whether you're updating your credentials for security purposes or simply because you want to change, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger, which is hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you've reached the home page, you'll want to log into your account using your current credentials. This is the same information you used when creating your account or the email associated with Hostinger. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Hostinger platform. Moving ahead, the next step is to head over to your account information. To do this, locate your account avatar or name at the top of the screen, typically in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down selection, you'll see an option labeled Profile or Account Information. Click on it to access your personal account settings. As you page through, you'll find an array of details encompassing your account status and personal information settings. Now, the focus is on finding the link to change your password. Once you're in your account information settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Account Settings or Security Settings. In this area, there should be an option with a label such as Change Password. Clicking on this will direct you to the password change interface, where you'll be prompted to input your current password for authentication purposes. Enter the current password accurately to gain authorization to proceed with changing it. After you've successfully entered your current password, you'll be taken to a screen where you can input your new password. It's essential to choose a strong, secure password to ensure the protection of your account. Consider using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for a password that's at least 8 to 12 characters long. Once you've decided on a new password, type it carefully into the designated field and then confirm it by retyping it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. Finally, to save the new changes, look for the Save or Confirm button, typically located towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to finalize your new password settings. Hostinger may send you an email notification confirming that your password has been successfully changed, giving you peace of mind knowing the transition was successful. And there you have it. You've now updated your Hostinger password. Always remember to store your password securely and avoid sharing it with others to maintain the safety of your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Hostinger's support for additional help.